Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. So now we'll see how we can proceed with document ingestion service. So I've created two PDFs, baby products and vaccine.pdf. This PDF have some basic content regarding the products and the vaccines. Okay, so we'll see how we can split this document, chunk it, and then store the vector embeddings in our PG vector data source. So for that, we'll create a service. So let's start by creating a package services, and we'll create one, say, document ingestion service. Okay, yeah, let me mark this with @service. Okay, now what I need to do here is we have the embedding stores, right? What we created in rack config. So we'll take this embedding store and we'll instantiate, we'll auto-wire it in this service layer. So before that, we'll create a logger to log few steps. So private static final logger slf4j log is equals to logger factory dot get logger. Okay, so we have a logger in place. Now we'll do embedding store of text segment, baby product embedding. Okay, and do it as private final. So let's go with constructor injection, and we have another one is vaccine embedding. Okay, so along with that we'll need the embedding model. So private final embedding model, also private final JDBC template. We'll take a JDBC template. Okay, JDBC template is from Spring Boot started JDBC. So this is a dependency what I've newly added. Okay, yeah. So let's do add constructor parameters for everything. Okay, so initialization of fields and all is done. Okay, now here one thing we'll need to tell is there are two embedding stores of type text segment, right? So we need to provide which one qualifies for that, for what purpose. So we'll put at the rate qualifier, and the first one will be from baby product embedding store. So all the embeddings related to baby product embedding should go to baby product embedding store, and the next one will keep it as vaccine embedding store. Okay, so okay, we are good till here. um, Again, if you all have any doubts or any comments, please do any questions, please do drop a comment. It will be very helpful. Okay, now we need to ingest the PDF. So we'll create a private void, nothing. We just have to do ingest PDF. Okay, and here what we'll do, we'll take the file name and string file name, comma embedding store of type text segment, and we'll call it as store. Okay, so these are the parameters what we have uh, considered. Okay, let's go with the try catch block. So if there is any exception, we can view it. Log dot error. Okay, action occur during document ingestion. Okay, so okay, now inside try block, this is the most critical. Okay, now we'll need to get the file first. So I'll go with URI resource. Oh, sorry, URL. Okay, and this will be my resource is equals to dot file name. Okay, now file name is not directly available, right? It's under the docs folder. So what I'll do, docs slash plus file name. Okay, so I got the URL resource. We'll just do a check objects dot not null. If objects dot is null, if the resource is null, okay, empty. Yeah, that's fine. So log dot error uh, PDF not not found file name. Okay, and will straight away return from here. Okay, now if this is available, next what we need to take the document. Okay, so what we'll do, so we'll take the document is equals to load document. Okay, load document will be from file system document loader dot load document. Okay, and path dot off. Okay, path dot not off, paths dot, yeah, get off URI. So resource dot to URI. Okay, and now uh, this is a PDF, right? So document parser, we need to set a parser to this. So our parser will be new Apache PDF box document parser. Okay, so our document is, we have a document. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to split the document. So document splitter is equals to document splitters dot recursive. Okay, now recursive means of how much chunks I want to, what will be the segment size? Means the chunks will be of say 500 characters or 2000 characters or 1000 characters. I'll explain what's that. 500 comma 50. Okay, max size overlap means um so here what to do, say I have a PDF of 2000 words. Okay, so it will the segmentation how it will occur, 0 to 500 in one chunk. Okay, 500 to 1000, then 1000 to 1500. Okay, likewise in set of 500 it will start splitting the document. Okay, now you have the splitted documents. Okay, documents split into different parts. Now we'll need to use embedding store ingester. Okay, store ingester equals to embedding store ingester dot builder. Okay, now with this we need to set dot, we have, yeah, see, we have document splitter, so we need to set uh, the splitter. Okay, now along with this, uh, we need to tell this splitting or this embedding will be done by a model, right? So we'll just do embedding model. Okay, and we have this embedding model, right? So we'll just pass that. Okay, we don't want to build now. Okay, along with that, we'll need to tell in which embedding store we need to do it. Okay, so embedding store, I'll take it from here. Embedding store. Okay, and dot build finally. Okay, so okay, what I'm doing here, I'm taking the URL resource, reading it from a particular location, checking if the resource is if it's null, straight away return with an error. If it's not null, then move out of this block and will get the document. Okay, now we have splitted. Okay, now we have declared a splitter, okay, on how much chunks the document should be splitted, and we have created an embedding store ingester. Okay, means how much splitting we need to do, which model will be responsible to do that, and where we need to do it. Everything we have declared here. All these values here are already defined in the rack config. Okay, so now we have the ingester, we have the splitter, we have the document. Next, what we have created this ingester, right? So what is the ingester dot ingest? Now ingest takes document, so we'll pass document. So now document which we are referring to from the particular location will be splitted and it will be stored into the DB. Okay, so we'll just do one log.info to check whether ingested file name. Okay, that's fine. Now let's run and see. Mm, Errors are there. Failed password authentication for Postgres. Fatal password authentication failed for Postgres. Failed to execute init. So this something in rack config. Localhost 5432 vector db Postgres there. Oh, okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is a small confusion, right? So we are running on 5433 because due to the port conflict, right? Uh, because our PG admin locally is running on 5432. Okay, means PG runs on 5432 and the Docker is also running on 5432, so there will be a conflict. So we went with 5433. So let's change it to 5433 and we'll change it here as well. Okay. Mm, let let's try again. So let's see whether we have a records present. Nothing here. Oh, nothing here. Okay. So what is going wrong? Oh, false. Oh, okay. Sorry. So, yeah, we have created this ingest PDF, uh, and we need to, yeah, call it somewhere, right? So we'll create a post construct. So on the post construct, what we'll do is we'll call the ingest PDF method. Okay. So we can do public void not init ingest all. Okay, and we'll simply do ingest PDF string file name. So the first file is okay, and we need a store. So baby products will go in baby products embedding store. Okay, and second one is vaccines.pdf. Okay, and we go to vaccine embedding. Okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay, so error column embedding ID of relation vaccine embedding does not exist. Okay, on conflict vaccine. Okay. Okay, fine. What we'll do is, what this vector DB needs. Okay, we are not quite sure what it needs. Okay, it will need some fields. It might not need. Okay, so let's not get let's drop the confusion. Okay, so uh, we'll drop the tables. Okay, and vaccine embedding drop. Okay, what we'll do is we'll tell uh, we'll tell the embedding store, the PG vector embedding store, hey, you create the table for us. Okay, if anything is missing, you can get it done. Okay, and also along with that, if you see, we need to add a dimension 1024. So the dimensions 1024, let me add it in the other as well. Yeah, ingest baby product, ingested vaccine. Okay, let's see, let's refresh. Okay, we have two tables from vaccine embedding. Okay, so this is the text. What text? Okay, okay, so this is the embedding ID, that is the unique ID. This is embedding. So numerical representation of this particular text and numerical representation of this particular text. Okay, we are good, right? And this is a metadata, like from where the file is loaded, what is the file name and all. Okay, we are good till here. Now we have the data in place. Okay, now we'll do few validations. Okay, like what if I stop and I restart my server? Okay, more two entries will get added. So we'll try to stop that. Uh, So how we can do is I've created this table ingestion log, okay, which has ID, file name, and ingested at. So just to check whether an ingestion has been done or not. Okay, so I've created this table. Presently, it has nothing inside it. Okay, so let me create a method. So it will be private boolean is already ingested. Okay, now uh, we'll take string file name. Okay, we'll check if the file is already been ingested or not. So what we'll do is JDBC. We have the JDBC template, right? Dot query query. Okay, query for object and require tab. Okay, now here we'll need the query. Select count star from the table name ingestion log. Okay, where file underscore name is equals to question mark. Okay, and what we'll be needing here is integer dot class and file name. Okay, and we'll do integer count is equals to, okay, and here return count, return count should not be null, count not equals to null and greater than 0. If the count is not null and greater than 0 means there's already uh, record available there, so we don't need to do all this stuff. So it's already ingested file name. Okay, log dot error, document already ingested. Okay, and will return from here. Fine. Okay, now okay, we need to insert also, right, to this table. So we'll do private void mark as ingested. Okay, string file name, and nothing we need to return, just jdbc template dot will do update insert into ingestion log. Okay, sorry, underscore name values question mark and file name. Okay, and once ingestion is done, I'll call mark as ingested and file name. Okay, now, okay, now if you see, it is record is already there. Okay, but let's do one thing, let's drop this tables. Okay, and let me rerun the application. Okay, ingestion log. Okay, baby production vaccine is already there. Okay, and Okay, now what if I stop the server and start again? Document already ingested. Okay. Uh, Document already ingested. And okay, and we give file name. Okay, so document already is file name. Okay, so we are good here. Uh, so we have created the chunks and it's been added to its respective data source. So in vaccines, we have all the vaccine related data, and in baby product, we have all the baby product related data. Okay, so we are good here for now. Okay, now let's see. So the next step is like we need to create tools, we need to create an agent, and we need to declare a controller. So these three steps are remaining. So let's cover those as well. Yep, if you have liked this session, if you have enjoyed it, so please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.